Hi everybody, my name is Krishna Vamsinath. Our project is to fine-tune a BERT model for review rating prediction. Our project teammates Banu and Likita aim is to develop a model capable of predicting review ratings on Amazon based on the review text using BERT. So why is this project worth doing? Because we are developing a fine-tuned model that can accurately predict rating of a review. Predicting review rating provides valuable insights for product improvement and customer satisfaction. So we are using dataset from Amazon. So this is a diverse dataset containing product reviews from Amazon, a large and representative encompassing various product categories. So for the pre-processing part, we have cleansed and normalized the dataset. We have used BERT tokenizer and we have used and we have also encoded tokens to convert raw text into suitable input for BERT. So for the model, we have picked a BERT-based case model from Hugging Face. BERT-based case is a pre-trained model with case-sensitive information trained on massive corpus, providing a strong foundation for understanding language context. So for the fine-tuning part, we have changed last layers of BERT-based classification model to regression model to generate, to predict rating of a review. For the tools, we have used Hugging Face transformers and PyTorch. Hugging Face is an open source library. It provides easy access to pre-trained models like BERT. So PyTorch is a deep learning framework where we can train or inference large deep learning models. So for the training, we have used Colab environment to train our model. So it took around 3 hours to train this model in Colab. We have used three epochs of data set batch size of 32 each. We have, while training, we have got an average loss of 0.23. And for the evaluation, we have used mean square error because it's one of the best metric for regression type problems. So we have for the test mean square error, we have got around 0.19. For the deployment, we have used Python web framework called Flask, and we have provided two text inboxes where user can enter their review and get their rating for the review. And yeah, thank you.
For our project, we started with gathering the data, which is from the UCSD repository. So we downloaded the Amazon review data for all the categories and then saved it to our local system. After downloading all the files, we processed those files to filter out the null values or misformed strings, and then created a subset of the dataset since the dataset is too big, which has 87 million data samples. We took a subset of the dataset to train our model and then saved the subset as a CSV file to our system and then use the CSV file to create a custom PyTorch dataset, which also converts the raw text to the input IDs and attention mask and labels using the tokenizer. For this, we use the BERT tokenizer. So this is the formatted input and the output. These are the raw text which we input to the model, and then the target label, which is the rating. After getting our data ready, we instantiated a model, which is a pre-trained model from Hugging Face library. So we took the bird for sequence classification model, which usually is used for classification, but we want to use it for the regression. So we set the number of labels to one, and then we initialize the optimizer, which is Adam, and set the number of epochs to three. So we were going to train the model to for three epochs. So after training for three epochs, which took about 2 hours, we ended up with the average loss of 0.23, and then save the model weights so that it can be used in the future. So after the training is done, we are gonna evaluate our model on a unseen test data. So for that, we randomly sampled 1,000 samples from each of the category from the reviews, and then use that unseen test data to evaluate the model. So for the test data, our model got a mean square error of 0.19, which is just smaller than the train error. So Likita will continue with the demo part.
Review rating predictor. In this, we have two fields. In first one, we have to give a review in text. For the given review, the predicting rate is 0.98, which is about 1 star rating. And we have a second one in which we have to give an index value from test data to get the predicted rating. So for the entered review, the actual rating is 5 and the predicting rating is 5.079.